Hello students, welcome to Punjabi class. Before starting the class, let us revise what we have done in our previous class. In the previous class, we have read sentences given on page number 42. In our today's class, we will cover two exercises. The first one is joining the words and the next one is writing meaning of those particular words. So for that, take out your Shabad Sulekh book and open page number 43. Now read the first line given on page 43, that is ਹੇਠਾਂ ਤਿੰਨ ਅੱਖਰਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਜੋੜ ਕੇ ਸ਼ਬਦ ਬਣਾਓ. That means we have to join three letters and we have to form a three-letter word. And then we have to write meaning of that particular word in front of it. For example, look at the first one. The first one they have done for us. Here you can see there are three letters and these letters are separated by plus sign. And we have to remove the plus sign and join the letters together to form three-letter word. The first is Babba, then plus sign is there. After that, the second letter is Lalle Per Bindi, then again plus sign is there, and then the third letter is Dadda. So here they have removed plus signs and they have joined the three letters and formed a new word, that is Bald. Babba, Lalle Per Bindi, Dadda, Bald. Now what's the meaning of Bald? Bald means ox. So write ox, ox, ox in front of that and then move to the next line. Now start reading the letters given. Nanna plus Gagga plus Rara is equal to Nagar. Nanna Gagga Rara, Nagar. And Nagar means city. So write down CITY, city in front of Nagar. Now look at the next line and start reading. Sasse Per Bindi Shasha plus Rara plus Mamma is equal to Sharam. Shasha Rara Mamma, Sharam. Sharam means shame. So write the English meaning in front of Sharam. SHAME, shame. Now look at the next line and start reading. So the first letter is Faffa, then plus Rara plus Jajje Per Bindi Z is equal to Farz. Faffa, Rara, Jajje Per Bindi, Farz. And the English meaning of Farz is duty. So write down duty in front of Farz. DUTY, duty. Now look at the next line and start reading the letters given. Pabba plus Rara plus Tatta. That means Parat. Pabba, Rara, Tatta, Parat. And Parat is the name of a person. So here we will write noun. That means in front of Parat we will write noun. Noun, noun. Now look at the next line. Mamma plus Haha plus Lalla. So after joining these three letters it becomes Mahal. Mamma, Haha, Lalla, Mahal. And what's the English meaning of Mahal? It is palace. PALACE, palace. Now look at the next line and start reading. Kakka plus Mamma plus Lalla is equal to Kamal. Kakka, Mamma, Lalla, Kamal. Write on Kamal and in front of that write the English meaning of Kamal. The English meaning of Kamal is lotus. LOTUS, lotus. Now look at the last line of this page and start reading. It's Sassa plus Rada plus Kakka. That is Sadak. So, in front of is equal to sign, write down Sassa Rada Kakka Sadak. And then write the English meaning of Sadak. So, the English meaning of Sadak is road. R-O-A-D, road. Now, turn the page and open page number 44. Look at the first line given on this page and read it. ਹੇਠਾਂ ਤਿੰਨ ਅੱਖਰਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਜੋੜ ਕੇ ਸ਼ਬਦ ਬਣਾਓ. That means here also we have to do the same thing that we have done in the previous page. That means we have to join three letters and we have to form a three-letter word. And we have to write that word in front of is equal to sign. And then we have to write the English meaning of that particular word in front of it. So, read the first one. Nanna plus Rara plus Mamma is equal to Naram. Nanna Rara Mamma Naram. And the English meaning of Naram is soft. S-O-F-T, soft. Now, look at the second line and start reading. Kakka plus Rara plus Mamma is equal to Karam. Kakka Rara Mamma Karam. After joining these three letters, the new word forms. That is Karam. And the English meaning of Karam is deed. D-E-E-D, deed. Now, look at the next line, that is third line, and start reading the letters given. Faffa plus Rara plus Shasha. That means Farsh. So, in front of is equal to sign, write down Faffa Rara Shasha Farsh. And the English meaning of Farsh is flow. So, in front of that, write down F-L-O-O-R, flow. Now, look at the next line. That means, look at the fourth line and start reading the letters given. Kakka plus Dadda plus Rara. So, after joining it, the word becomes Kadar. So, write down Kadar in front of is equal to sign. Kakka Dadda Rara, Kadar. And after that, write the English meaning of Qadar. That is value. V-A-L-U-E, value. Now, look at the next line and start reading. Jajja plus Nanna plus Mamma. That means, after joining this, we will write Janam. Jajja Nanna Mamma Janam. So, after writing Janam, we will write the English meaning of Janam. The English meaning of Janam is birth. B-I-R-T-H, birth. Now, look at the next line and start reading. Nanna plus Rara plus Sassa is equal to nurse. Nanna Rara Sassa, nurse. And the English meaning of nurse is nurse. N-U-R-S-E, nurse. So write down nurse in front of nurse and then move to the next line. Now look at the last second line of this page and start reading the letters given. Jajja, then plus sign is there, after that Datta, again plus sign is there, then Nanna. So after joining these three letters, the word becomes Jajja Tatta Nanna. So write down Jatan in front of is equal to sign and then after that write the English meaning of it. The English meaning of Jatan is try. T-R-Y, try. Now look at the last line of this page and start reading. Mamma plus Gagga plus Nanna. So after removing plus signs and joining the letters, the word becomes Magan. So write down Magan, Mamma Gagga Nanna Magan in front of is equal to sign. And what's the English meaning of Magan? The English meaning of Magan is busy. B-U-S-Y, busy. So write down busy in front of Magan. Now your today's work is to read and revise page number 43 and 44. And then you have to learn the meanings of words given on these pages. Thanks for watching the video.